So for my project, I decided to create a inventory management system geared towards small businesses. Um, Larger businesses would probably need something more robust, but I figured I know I worked for a small business in high school, and the way that they kept track of inventory or knew when to reorder inventory as the manager would go down the aisles and just like spot check, oh, we need to buy this, we need to buy this. So it wasn't always the most time effective. So I figured even the Excel version would be an improvement. So if we start in the inventory tab, I have just some products I put in. I worked for the small business I worked for with a fishing company. So to see that the items are all fishing equipment. But anyways, the first thing I implemented was for quantity on hand, I used conditional formatting to signal when the stock of a particular item has dipped below a certain threshold. So for this, it's 5 or below. So we're saying we want to have, we always want to have at least 6 things of each item on hand. So the red just helps bring your attention, oh, we need to reorder a lot of things, or we are out of a few things. And so um it's just to kind of grab your attention. And then I also implemented data validation so that when you're entering in quantities, that you can make sure that it's a whole number and people aren't just putting like on accident the item name instead of the number for some reason. So if I try and put letters into the cell, it won't let me. It has to be a whole number, so that's nice. Make sure people are putting what you expect them to put. And then on the need to order tab, I used VBA to generate so that it takes from the inventory page all the things that have 5 or less items. So you have a quick list of these are the things I need to reorder. So here's the VBA working behind the scenes. Yeah, like I said, it basically just says what do we have that's 5 or less that we need to reorder. And then if I go back, so you'll see if I update this and say, oh, we actually only have 4 hook removers left, and then I go to the needs to order page and I click this button, you'll see that it populates here and adds it to that list. So yeah, just make keeping track of inventory and when you need to reorder a little simpler for small businesses. Thanks.